Welcome to Officer Ready. Whether you're new to the field or an experienced officer looking to refresh your knowledge, today's video is all about the essential equipment every security officer needs to stay effective and stay safe. Security officers do far more than stand post. They protect people, property, and information, often as the first to respond in emergencies and sometimes the last line of defense when danger appears. But none of that is possible without the right gear. In this video, we'll break down the key equipment every security officer should have, why it matters when it's used, and how it keeps you and everyone around you safer. Let's start with the basics and build from there. The uniform, more than just a dress code. The uniform isn't just about looking official. It's the first piece of protective equipment. Identification. Your uniform signals authority, deters threats, and helps people quickly recognize who to turn to in an emergency. Functionality. Duty belts and built-in features let you carry radios, handcuffs, flashlights, and gloves within easy reach. Visibility. High visibility or reflective elements keep officers safe during night patrols or in low-light areas like parking garages. Body armor, if applicable. Depending on your environment, stab-resistant or bullet-resistant vests can be life-saving, especially in high-risk posts. Communication tools, staying connected when it matters most. Clear, fast communication can make the difference between a resolved incident and a crisis. Two-way radios, still the gold standard for immediate, reliable team communication, durable and designed for security work. Earpieces, essential for discretion in environments like VIP protection or crowded events. Mobile phones, useful for backup communication, reporting, and using security apps that track incidents or log activity. Tools for self-defense and protection. Security officers aim to prevent and de-escalate conflict, but when needed, these tools help protect yourself and others. Flashlight. Beyond lighting the way, a tactical flashlight can help identify threats, signal teammates, and even serve as an impact tool in emergencies. Protective gloves. Useful for searches, handling hazardous items, and preventing contamination. Pepper spray or a baton, if licensed. Non-lethal options for situations where physical defense becomes necessary. Body armor. Again, environment matters. Whether it's stab-resistant or ballistic, properly fitted armor is critical in high-risk roles. Tools for situational awareness. Security officers need to stay alert and document what they see, and sometimes the simplest tools are the most powerful. Notebooks and pens. It might sound old school, but they're irreplaceable. A pen and a pocket-sized notebook let officers log incidents, note suspicious behavior, or even sketch quick diagrams of scenes. In many cases, your notes become the official record of what happened and can be vital evidence later. CCTV monitoring equipment. Surveillance cameras help spot activity officers can't directly observe. Body cameras. These add accountability, capture real-time evidence, and help protect officers against false claims. Guard tour systems. Track patrol routes and confirm critical areas are checked on schedule. Controlling access, keeping unauthorized people out. A big part of security work is knowing who belongs where and stopping those who don't. ID and badge scanners or apps instantly verify visitor and employee credentials. Key rings and management systems track who has access to critical areas and keep keys secured. Electronic access devices, key cards, fobs, or biometric systems tie entry to individuals and times. Visitor logs keep a clear, searchable record of everyone coming and going. Responding to emergencies, medical and fire safety tools. Security officers often arrive before first responders. Being ready matters. First aid kits. From minor cuts to serious injuries, immediate care can save lives. AEDs. Officers trained to use these devices can restart a heart and cardiac arrest. Fire extinguishers. Knowing where they are and how to use them helps contain small fires before they spread. Why equipment matters. Each piece of equipment isn't just gear. It's part of a system designed to help you observe, prevent, communicate, and respond. When used together, and backed by good training and sharp situational awareness, these tools help security officers do their jobs professionally and safely. Security officers don't just stand watch, they manage risk, protect lives, and help create order in places where it matters most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on professional security and safety.